My name is HD Vo. I am the founder and CEO of InMapz. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're gonna show you how to use our maps on our website to find indoor directions at airports and malls and many other places. The reason I started this company was because I'm always getting lost at airports and malls. I'm a pretty good driver and I have a good sense of direction outdoor, but when I'm indoor, I get lost a lot and I travel, and so I'm always getting lost at the airports. So when I searched for solutions that would help me, and I couldn't find anything that was acceptable, and so that's when I decided to build InMapz. And we have mapped over 1,000 venues. We have mapped the top 200 airports in the world, maybe the top 500 malls in the world. So most places you go, hopefully we have a maps for you. And so let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to first find first open up a map of a venue, and then how to find a store within that venue, and then how to find directions. And let's get to it. So this is our website. The path is inmapz.com, INMAPZ.com. And when you land on the page, the website, there's a beautiful video showing a demo of how to use our app. So I'm gonna show you how to search for a map. So let's go here, find maps. Okay, and from this page, you can search for many different maps. So I'm gonna search for one of the top malls in the U.S. South Coast Plaza. It's based in Orange County, and you have to click this box. I am not a robot. We do this because there are many programs out there that try to hack websites, and so we want to safeguard against that. And so once I verify that I'm not a robot, then I can go and open up the map. So this is the South Coast Plaza Mall in Orange County. It's I think one of the top 3 malls in the U.S. in terms of revenues. And so first you're gonna see is the mall actually had 2 separate locations, and it's connected by a bridge. So let's zoom in a little bit. And this button up here is to zoom in, and this is to zoom out. So when we zoom in, we can see really good detail of the map, right? And you can click on any of these logos, and it will give you more detail about that store. So let's say click on Hermes. Then over here, we have a photo of the front of the store. We have information about their website and the phone number and the location. This is on floor 1. And let's say you want to get direction how to get to Hermes, then you click on this button here, and you can type in the store that you're located at. So let's say we're at Sears, right? So Sears is over here, and I can just type in, let's say I want to walk from floor 2 at Sears. I want to walk from floor 2 at Sears all the way to Hermes. And so this is showing you the direction to walk from Sears. And you notice Sears, we wanted direction from the 2nd floor, and Hermes is on the 1st floor. So the first thing we got to do is we got to walk from Sears all the way over here, and there's an escalator over here or an elevator over here. And it's showing you that this is Sears. Walk to the elevator, and then if you click on this next step, then it shows, okay, now we take the elevator down to the 1st floor, and then from the 1st floor we walk to Hermes. So that's how you get directions, and that's how you also get store locations. The next thing I want to show you is, let's close these windows and let's zoom out. And the next thing I want to show you is one of the things that yeah, everybody looks for at airports and malls are restrooms or facilities. Or if you need handicap assistance, then one of the things you will look for is elevator. So over here is our facilities button. You can find ATM, elevator, escalators. So let's say we want to find where the elevators are. And here is showing you these are the location of all the elevators in the mall. And this elevator we saw earlier, and we can say, well, show me direction how to get there. And let's say I was standing at maybe Saks Fifth Avenue, so I will type in Saks, and it will show me direction. Okay, from Saks to this elevator, just walk over to here, and then you can take this elevator over there. Okay, so facilities, we have elevator, we have ATM machines, restrooms. So down here is restroom. Let's say we want to find where the restrooms are. Okay, these are the location where the restrooms are, right? So those are the basic functions. You can change the floor. So let's say right now it's showing that we're on the first floor. Excuse me. If we want to see the second floor, then we just go to the floor and we change this floor. And the maps are different on the second floor, and you can see there's a bridge here that's actually connect this building with this building, right? And we actually show you the walking path. So let's say you want to walk from this store over here or Pottery Barn over here all the way to LV. So let's say we want to go from LV, we want to go to LV from Pottery Barn. Okay, so show me how to get there. And if you notice, the directions say, okay, walk to the bridge and then take the bridge across and then follow this path all the way to LV. Okay, and let's say you wanted to meet a friend at LV, and the friend's also asking for direction. You can click on this share here, and you can send this map to your friend on Facebook, on Messenger, on many of the social apps here, and or you can also copy this link and send that link through your email or to text, whatever. And then if you also want to use our app version of the map, then you can download our app InMapz on the Apple Store and also on the Google Play Store. Okay. And the last thing I want to show you is down here. You can, if you have a QR code reader or if you have an iPhone, you can use your camera app on your iPhone, and you just hover over this QR code. It will then send you this map to your phone, so that way you can then take the map with you anywhere you go. And the last thing I want to show you is you can change the venue location. So we were looking at South Coast, and let's say there's another mall near South Coast called Irvine Spectrum. So let's say you want to go there, then you just type in the new location, and the map will then switch over to Irvine Spectrum. Okay, so that's how you would change to different venues. This includes airports, malls. We've done university. We've done amusement parks. For example, we've done Disneyland. We've built maps for casinos in Las Vegas. So if you go to Las Vegas, this is a great tool. And then I encourage you to explore these other menus. For example, we show how our maps can be used for airports, malls, museum, parks, resorts. Our maps is available on multiple platforms as a mobile app, or as a web page, or even kiosks, touchscreen kiosks. And this page here shows different features that we have available for our maps. If you are a business and you are interested in working with us and using our maps for your touchscreen kiosk, for example, or for your website, you can look at these features. And then we talked about how we build maps. If you want to work with us, you just simply send us your floor plan, tell us the platform that you want, we build the map for you, and then we host and send you the map. So thank you for joining us, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any further question, you can email us at info@inmapz.com. Excuse me, or you can go here and send us your information and submit this form to us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.